Okay guys, we got this controller from my little brother. He wants me to fix it because it has a problem. Whenever he plays, it gets stuck randomly. So we're going to open this and take a look at it. Okay, we got all the screws taken out. And one thing I noticed, it's not sticking anymore, but whenever there's pressure, it's sticking just a little bit. So it probably just needs to be cleaned. But he also went with my idea of cutting the motors. But I'll get back to y'all when I find the problem. Okay, I cleaned it a little bit. Let's see if that's the problem. Now, it was sticking to the case. Now, it's still sticking. I don't know what the problem is. And these are non-official ones, because he broke the official ones. Now, this is an official one right here. And it's not sticking. Weirdly enough. Okay, I'll find some different ones I have and see if those work. Okay, I'm back with these. These are also non-official, but let's see if they work. Okay, they're not sticking. Let me try it on this one. Okay, doesn't seem to be having that problem anymore, so let's put this back together. Okay, we got all the screws in. Now this side, the case is actually broken right here, so it feels a little looser. He broke it. So it's a little loose because there's no screw there, but as you could tell, everything works fine. No stick. Okay guys, there we go. The controller is put back together. No stick. Everything works. That's all guys. Have a good day.